Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays, real talk with a realtor. I'm Sharice Wynn, also known as the Agent Lady. And today, guys, we have Sandy Smith with Philly Mag. And today, Sandy is going to tell us about the top 3 neighborhoods for 2020. Sandy, what we got here?
Well, I think I got 3 strong candidates for you to buy or invest in.
Okay.
By this time next year. Number 1 on my list is Cobbs Creek.
Okay.
That's the area west of 52nd, south of Market, north of Baltimore, and bordered by Cobbs Creek Park, which is the neighborhood's greatest physical asset.
Nice. What makes it great?
What makes it great? One is it has a large stock of well-maintained 2-story, largely row houses that have been kept up well over the years.
Okay.
They're very
helps.
Yes, they're very affordable. And it's directly in the path of the wave of development that has spread across West Philadelphia and has finally crossed 52nd Street.
Right. Yeah.
3, it's close to mass transit. It's right below the Market Frankford line. There are very good neighborhood amenities in and around it.
Right.
You also have the 34 trolley on the south end.
Right. Okay. So public transportation, the park, and then proximity to the city makes it great.
Yes.
And
absolutely.
affordable housing.
Oh, and affordable housing that's been well maintained.
There we go. That's very important. And then we have East Mount Airy next on the list. Yeah. Why is that great?
Well, East Mount Airy is, of course, the what you might call the little brother of West Mount Airy. It's the more affordable option in that very famously integrated Philadelphia neighborhood. Mount Airy has a very strong business district with lots of shops and restaurants, and there's still something of an alt culture vibe that's kind of unique to the area. Only Germantown shares it. The housing stock in East Mount Airy is a little more varied than that in West Mount Airy.
Right.
You have everything from 2-story row houses to big grand colonials on their own lots. This means that you have plenty of place to start out, with a starter house, and then move up as your own tastes and needs expand without leaving the neighborhood.
That's pretty awesome. And what boundaries would you give East Mount Airy?
Okay. East Mount Airy is north of Johnson Street, east of Germantown Avenue, west of Stenton, and south of Gresham Valley, Gresham Creek.
Okay, awesome. All right, so now we move on to the last, Harrogate. And people are like, well, what is Harrogate?
Yeah, what is Harrogate indeed? You haven't heard of it. But chances are, if you live in Fishtown or South Kensington or one of those places and you're beginning to feel priced out, you may well hear of this place soon.
Okay.
It is in the path of the redevelopment that's moving through, East Philadelphia, if we want to call it. The area, it's already hit South Kensington, it's hit East Kensington. Harrogate is like the next place up. It's above Allegheny Avenue, west of Kensington Avenue, south of Erie, and east of about A or B Street. This is a former industrial district, and it's seen a fair bit of disinvestment over the years, but that's beginning to reverse. There's a major social impact developer there, Shift Capital, that's turned an old industrial building into makerspace, and that's generating some spin-off development around it. A private investor just converted a factory building about a block or 2 from the Tioga Well stop to market rate rental apartments, and they've been renting very well.
Wow, that's pretty awesome.
Mm-hmm.
So you would move to any of these 3 places?
Well, actually, I'm a Germantown. I don't think I'm going to move anywhere out of there.
Right.
But the Mount Airies are our neighbors, and they're just as cool. I'd definitely consider Cobbs Creek.
Okay.
Harrogate, maybe not my cup of tea, but it might be yours.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much, Sandy, for coming to tell us about the top 2020, or the top 3 neighborhoods in 2020, rather. And how do people find you?
You can find me on Philly Mag.
Yep.
I do the real estate and home channel at phillymag.com. I'm also a contributor to Next City.
Okay.
You can find some of my articles, longer feature pieces on gentrification, and a weekly column on mass transit at nextcity.org. And just Google my name. You'll probably find that of the first 10 entries you get, 6 to 8 of them pertain to me.
High fives. Nice. Well, guys, that pretty much sums it up. And remember, friends don't let friends buy or sell real estate without the agent lady. Make it a great day.